Okay, huwag mong kakalimutan pag magba-backtest ka, kailangan mo ng kape para gising na gising para up to 6 hours yung backtesting session mo. Okay, good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, or kung anong oras mo to pinapanood. So, welcome ulit sa ating munting video or munting channel. So, dito sa video na to pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-backtest ng trading strategy this 2024. So, paano ba mag-backtest ng isang trading strategy? So, para sa mga bago sa channel natin, ako nga pala si IC, your Forex trading buddy. And 4 years na ako sa market, and I will share with you kung ano yung mga tips and trick dun sa pag-backtest ng trading strategy mo this 2024. For me kasi, yung point ng pagba-backtest ng isang trading strategy is to practice your trading strategy from past data. Okay, so pwede mong i-backtest yung year 2020, yung mga year 2021, or I would say yung mga cycles ng market like bull market or bear market or yung mga ranging markets. Depende sa trading strategy mo ngayon. Ano ba yung purpose ng pagba-backtest? So for me, yung pagba-backtest kasi is it is a form of trading the markets from the past data and to really practice your trading strategy kung nag-work ba siya. Okay, merong 3 points kasi yan. Number 1 is to really practice. Makikita mo kung mag-work yung isang strategy na yon. Number 2 is to collect data. Ibig sabihin, ilang pips ba? Ilang pips yung nakukuha mo for that particular trading strategy? Saan ka ba nagtitake profit? Anong time frame ba? Ibig sabihin, you have to collect data also para, alam mo yun, magkaroon ka ng somewhat expectation dun sa trading strategy mo. And yung pagbabacktest din dun sa second point is titignan mo kung magre-resonate sa'yo yung strategy na win-workout mo ngayon. Okay? Kung masyado bang mabilis yung strategy na yon, or kung masyado bang mabagal, or nababagay ba siya dun sa lifestyle na meron ka ngayon. And overall, kung magre-resonate sa'yo yung strategy na yon. Okay? Kung, I would say, kung yung strategy na yun, aggressive ba masyado sa'yo or conservative ba masyado sa'yo. And number 3, lastly, siguro for me in this video is, pag magbabacktest ka, yung purpose niya is kung paano ka ba magpa-perform dun sa strategy na yun. Halos lahat naman tayo ay iba-iba yung lifestyle. So, merong mga traders ngayon na doing it on a part-time, merong mga full-time, may mga traders na nagta-transition sila into a expert advisor or yung mga robot, So, pero for this video, we are going to do manual backtesting. Ibig sabihin, we are going to use trading view replay button tool para makita natin yung mga data from the past sa isang currency. Bago ka mag-backtest, dapat you have to know your trading strategy. So, number 1, mag-set ka ng mga rules. So, ibig sabihin, ano yung hinahanap mo sa market? Know what you are looking for. What is your entry model? What is your exit model? Okay? So, ang una mo kasing kailangan kapag magbo-backtest ka is, for me, para sa akin, is you need an active music. Okay, para makapag-focus ka sa isang task. Now, for me, back then, ang ginagawa ko or ang ginagamit ko na music when I am doing backtesting is yung brain.fm. So, you can check it out on their website or dito sa YouTube. So, free lang naman sila. Number 2 is dapat meron kang Google Sheet para matrack mo yung mga data on that particular backtesting session. And number 2, since ang oras kasi ngayon is 9:18 PM, March 9, 2024 is hindi ko kailangan ng kape, pero most of the time dati kasi I was doing backtesting back then. Siguro mga nasa 4 AM ish, 2 AM, 1 AM kasi doon ako mas effective. So yun din yung pinakapayo ko. If you are doing backtesting, siguro wag mo siyang gawin in the middle of the day. I would say na either when you wake up or when you are going to sleep. So either dun sa dalawang time zones na yun. Ang rules natin for this backtesting session is to look for, I would say, trend or yung strategy natin na i-work out is yung trend pullback. So ibig sabihin we need an active market. Number 1, trending, or number 2, we are look for ranging market that broke out or broke down. Okay? And then number 3, yung entry model natin is we enter at support and resistance zone. So ganoon. And then number 4, exit natin is doon tayo mag-exit sa mga support and resistance zone din. Okay? So dito simplihan lang natin. So dito pwede mo siyang dagdagan if you are doing your backtesting. You can be specific. Let's say sabihin natin yung entry model mo, pwede ka mag-enter sa mga Fibonacci, sa mga moving average, sa mga indicators, sa mga sa mga smart money concepts, any strategy, okay? Or let's say sabihin natin candlestick pattern, so pwede mo ilagay doon. So exit plan, pwede mo rin ilagay doon to be specific is, let's say, sabihin natin na Fibonacci level din, or let's say sabihin natin yung moving average or MACD or RSI, pwede mo gamitin yan. So any strategy, okay? So pero for this video, ang gagawin lang natin is yung pinakasimple lang. We look for range, nag-breakout, tapos we enter at the pullback, okay? So put your tunes in or put your tunes on, and then tignan na natin yung backtesting sessions natin. Okay, meron akong prepare ng content dito. Okay, sa unang data na gagawin natin is, ang gagawin ko is, I will do voiceovers, ano. So, ito, meron tayong nakitang, siguro ilagay natin yung narrative from this point. So, yung main na ano niya dito, yung main na parang market is ranging, pero nasa channel siya, ano, around this area. We came from downtrend. Tapos yung price at its current movement, it is somewhat consolidating in this area. Nagko-consolidate siya. So, it has a range in the market. So, we fast forward the price. Okay, so we saw an active market, or we saw a break in the market. So, possible na we are going to have a pullback around this area or retest sa mga areas na to. So, if the price will give us a possible na retest from this area and then price have a slowdown movement, we can enter possible around here. Stop loss would be here. Tapos, possible na take profit siguro dito sa area na to or dito sa may recent high. Okay? So, yun yung plan ako for this one since nag-breakout siya and nag-close siya above that range. So, let's fast forward the price. Okay? Price is moving upward, so we will wait for a possible pullback. Okay, nagpo-pullback siya ng konti. Nandito na siya sa may support areas, ano, sa areas na to. Siguro I will enter around this area. I will put my stops here, tapos possible na take profit dito, TP1, ano, and then TP2 around this area sa resistance na to. Okay, so we will fast forward the price. Nagwo-work yung price. Okay, so TP1 is hit. Okay, so this is where the next next collecting of data. Ang gagawin natin is this is Friday, November 20, 2020. So in my Google Sheet, you can log your dito. So let's say sabihin natin na $1,000 yung possible na trading simulation account mo for that particular scenario, and then you can go to your journal and then pair. This would be pound yen for this session. Pound yen. Direction would be long. Entry date. This is entry date natin is nag-enter tayo ng Friday, November 20, 2020. So ilagay natin siya. Nag-enter tayo sa November 20, 2020, and then we exited the price at around December 2, 2020. December 2, 2020. December 2, 2020. And then, yung capital risk lang dito is 1%, ano? Stop loss value. Okay, stop loss value would be 21, or I would say na 200, ano? 200 na ticks. 216. So, take note, this is daily chart, kaya malaki yung stop loss natin, ano? This is 216.66. And then open natin na price is dito sa area na to. Copy the entry price, paste it here. Tapos yung closing price natin is this one, no? Close price. Let's say sabihin natin yung broker fee natin dito is $1 lang, or -1, I should say, -1. Okay, and then entry type would be trend pullback. Sabihin natin nag-trade grade A. This was a session siguro mga mga London, no, lagyan natin. So lang, added layer lang. Trigger, pwedeng breakdown or breakout. Okay, added convictions, support and resistance area, big player, this is daily. Okay, so you can screenshot this one as well. Pwede mong screenshot yung area na yan. Copy link, and then you can paste it here. Okay, so that is our data. Okay, so yan. So ganun lang yung gagawin natin for the rest of this backtesting video. So, put your tunes. Okay, so kung titignan natin, meron tayong second entry for around this area. We have a ranging market again in this area. And then, price broke out. No, nag-break siya ng konti. Mag-aabang tayo ng pullback price for this one. I think this is a good price already. So, we can enter. So, put your stops here. And then, siguro possible take profit around this area. Support and resistance na yan. If not, pwede tayo mag-take profit around yung second na point na to. Okay. Okay. So, we entered at around, this second entry was January 5, 2021. Ano? Pound yen ulit. This is long. January 1, 2021. And then we exited at this second TP zone. So this is January 29, 2021. 2021. Ano? I would say na 1% yung risk natin for this one. Stop loss is nasa 156.8. 156.8 na stop loss. We entered at around this area. Tapos we closed sa area na to. Let's say sabihin natin na $1 lang for the sake of Tapos trend pullback, e-trade, sabihin natin sa load doon tayo naka-enter. SNR area, breakout, tapos daily. Okay? Tapos we can copy the link on this particular trade, kasi meron siyang range. So we will hide this one kasi meron tayong range around this area. Bilugan ko lang to para meron tayong copy image, or I would say copy link, copy link, ganyan. Okay, so that is our next so we can reset, tingin ulit tayo ng ranging market. Medyo nagmi-miss pa siya ng konti, so we missed this particular na move. So, ang ginawa niya is parang hinabol pa niya dito. Okay. So, pwedeng ganon. Lagyan natin na ganyan. Pwede mong lagyan ng annotation. Miss this whole move. Ganyan. Copy link. Then, pwede ba lagyan lang din dito, para reference lang. Okay. Not to worry, kasi siya, di ba? Sinunod lang din natin yung plano niya. Plano natin na we have to take profit around this area, right? Okay, so pwede mo lagyan na ganyan. So all you have to do is wait for a ranging market ulit. And then breakout, breakdown na ulit. Okay? So for now, hindi siya nag-range, So dito mas mabibuild kasi yung discipline mo on how you do things, Oh yeah, so let's say for example this one, this is a possible na ranging market. We can say na this is potential na pwede mag-range yung market. Siguro either pwede ako mag-antay ng either a break to the downside or to the upside. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayun, nag-break siya, Nag-break siya from this high, so we are forming new high. So possible na tingin tayo ng trend pullback. Tapos ganyan. Or pullback na prices. Medyo mataas, Pwede, Pwede. I will enter this one, pero medyo risky kasi itong trade na to. Pwede ako mag-enter dito. Tapos stop ko siguro dito sa area na yan. Okay, pwede. Kasi parang dito siya nag-retest or dito nag-hold yung price. Okay, so pwede kong enteran yan. Okay. Medyo nagko-consolidate na yung price for this one. Okay, medyo nagko-consolidate. So, what I will do is move my stops to break. So, medyo logical areas. So, we entered at around May 20, 2021. So, pound yen ulit. This is long. May 20, 21. Okay. So, we move our stops to some sort of medyo malapit sa break-even point. So, copy link para lang ma-record natin to. Okay. Yan natin. O yun, medyo malapit. Natag out na tayo doon. Tag out tayo dito for this particular trade. So, we close at dito sa area na to. Nag-close tayo dun sa area na. Okay. We closed here. Tapos, nag-enter tayo dito. Sabi natin na negative $1 lang din, ano. So yung stop kasi natin, this is 126.2. Ano, 126.2. Area na to, we close at yung kandila na to. Okay. June 18, 2021. 18, 2021. Okay, so yun yung ano natin. This is a trend pullback kasi meron tayong ano dito, no? Merong breakout tapos nag-pullback dito sa area na to pero nag-reverse siya. So meron ba siyang support and resistance malapit dito? Meron. Ayun yung area na to. Hindi ko nakita. Merong resistance pala dun sa area na yun. So sige, pwede natin i-ano to. Sabihin natin London SNR area. Merong breakout sa daily. Okay. So yung ano ko dito, this is a loss, no, na trade. So yung mistake ko for this one is number one, I failed to realize, or I failed to see, to look for the resistance on the left side of the screen. Okay, so pwedeng ganyan, ano, yung ano mo. Okay. So copy link. Lagyan mo dito. So dito siguro yung mistake natin for this one. Not following plan. Kasi hindi ko na-follow yung plano doon. Okay, that would be our ano. So i-reset ulit natin. So ngayon ang gagawin natin is we look for ranging ulit na breakdown. So dito merong possible na ranging area, ano. Nag-range siya dito. So pwedeng I will wait for a possible na pullback and then siguro possible na take profit dito sa area na to. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ng pullback. Meron dito, pero hindi pa ako ganun ka satisfied for this one. So lagyan natin, ano, pwede lagyan natin ng short kasi valid naman siya na breakdown, ano. So siguro stop for this one is dito, tapos take profit natin dito. Okay. Okay, so we entered at around, this is June 21, 2021. Pound ulit, no? This time this is short. June 21, 2021. Okay, 1% lang din ulit. 1%. Tapos we are TP'd out dito sa July 19, 2021. July 19, 2021. And then yung stop loss natin is 206.4. 206.4. Entry price would be this number, and then yung TP natin, naka-TP tayo dito. See? And then this one. So negative 1 lang din. So this is a winning trade, ano? This is also a trend pullback, ano? A trade, London, support and resistance area. This time, this is breakdown naman, ano? Breakdown. Daily. So we can screenshot this one. Copy link. Then go. Okay? Yung ginagawa ko pa dati, ano, nung nag-umpisa ako, I have 2 monitors para hindi ka masyadong alt-tab ng alt-tab. Okay? So you can do that if meron kang mga resources to provide a second monitor. Pero yung one monitor, it is already good. Ano, or I would say na sufficient na siya. Okay? Lalong-lalo na pagka nag-uumpisa ka and wala ka pang masyadong kita or earnings sa market. So pwedeng ganun yung gagawin mo. Okay? So for this one, this is a winning trade. You know? Tingnan natin to ulit. I-clear lang ulit natin. So all we have to do is wait for a possible na ranging market, ano? And then we can re-enter. Ito parang range siya dito, ano? Parang range. So tingnan natin, ano? Delete muna natin to. Ayun, medyo nag-ano siya dito, ano. Parang merong head and shoulders pattern, ano. Ganyan. So, tingnan natin. So, pwedeng mag-break siya around this price. No? So, some sort of range din kasi itong area na kasi price is going nowhere, ano. So, pwedeng ganon. Right? So, all we have to do is wait for a siguro possible breakdown, retest, and then boom. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin ng price. Hindi siya nag-break, ano? Hindi siya nag-break. Ayun yung mag-break. So, right now, siguro ito yung titignan natin na break. Na range. Okay. ayan, mayroong breakout. Okay, so all we have to do is wait for a possible pullback, possible na take profit from this. So tignan natin ano. Hindi na tayo binigyan ng pullback price. Sige. So since this is a higher low, so yung range pala na tinitignan niya dito is pwedeng possible yung price zone na yan. This is our range. Tapos siguro pwedeng pullback dito. Then possible na take profit going forward. So yun yung titignan natin. I will check if mag-bounce dito sa support na to. Either dito or dito sa price na yan. Okay, tingnan natin. Bigyan tayo ng pullback. Sana bigyan tayo ng... Oh, yan. Medyo nagpo-pullback siya ng konti. So, we can enter around this area. Put your stop siguro dito sa area. No? Mas maganda sana kung ano siya, no? Mas deeper. Okay? So, pwede nating... we can enter here. Ano? Valid naman kasi daily siya, ano? Medyo nag-ano, no? Ayan, diba? So for this one, ang pangit ng entry ko. So for this one, yung buyers hindi nagpakita, no? Pwede mo, natin daw, we entered at around November 4, 2021. November 4, 2021, pound. This is long, ano? We entered at November, ano yan? Nakalimutan ko. November 4, 2021. Tapos, we are tagged out from the trade November 26. November 26, 2021. Okay, tapos yung stop natin nasa 498. 498.1. Okay. Tapos, yung entry price natin dito is itong area na to. Tapos, na-stop out tayo dito sa area na to. Tapos, negative. Sabi natin negative 1 na lang. So, loss, ano? Trade breakdown daily. So I would say na parang hindi ko na nasunod yung plano for this one. So yung na-plot ko na support and resistance is around this area. Pero I was entering dito sa my areas na to. So the minute na nakita ko yung the minute na nakita ko yung blue na candle na yan. So yun yung mali ko for this one. I entered mistake, sabi natin. Mistake number 1 is I failed to see the major resistance support, major support for price to bounce on, for price or buyers to bounce on, to bounce. So ganun, ano? So pwede mo i-copy link, tapos you can put it here, okay, para meron kang reference. Okay? So, ganoon lang yung pagba-backtest, guys, ano? Now, ito kasi, itong nag-gather natin na data, it's a little bit off pa or konti pa siya. So, kung titignan mo, 5 items lang siya, ano? Kung gusto mo ng 100 na data, talagang we have to work for it, ano, every day. I would say na pag magba-backtest ka, is 2 hours lang, ano? 2 hours or 3 hours box na para yung learning or yung, I would say, yung freshness ng brain mo, ma-retain siya for the 2 hours. Kasi pag lumampas ka na sa 2 hours na backtesting session, medyo yung brain cells mo medyo pagod na siya and you cannot clear or you cannot think clearly, ano, pagka lumampas ka or medyo matagal yung mga backtesting sessions mo. So you need or so you want to be as quality as possible yung mga decisions mo sa pagte-trade, ano. So let's say for example this one, ano, kaya dati ang pagba-backtest ko dati is nasa tawag dito, nasa 4 AM kasi fresh pa yung brain ko for that particular time, ano. Unlike pag medyo patulog na ako, yung gigil ko na backtest for this particular time is parang wala na, okay? Kaya magkakaroon ka ng mga, I would say, ng mga, ayun, yung mga losses, ano. Tapos yung mga thinking, yung mga logical thinking skills mo is medyo hindi siya optimal kumpara sa mga sa mga areas na fresh pa yung brain mo, okay? So for me, yun yung effective kasi doon ako mas nasanay mula nung bata kasi before exams, mas nare-retain sa akin yung mga mame-memorize or yung mga isa-solve na problem sa or pagre-review ng mga notes sa umaga-umaga. Unlike pag sa gabi, medyo nahihirapan ako mag-memorize or mag-aral. So, that's just on me. Pero pag sa inyo, ikaw, mas gusto mo yung mag-aral tuwing gabi bago ka matulog, do it for yourself. Okay? Okay, so yun lang yung konting or munti nating backtesting session. So, I would suggest na i-utilize mo yung trading view. Okay? And then, I would suggest na sabihin natin na mag-backtest ka sa mga lower time frames kasi yung daily, kung titignan mo kasi yung mga stops niyan talagang malalaki and then yes, it can guarantee you a bigger na pips or bigger na rewards once you are trading it, pero hindi siya optimal for sabihin natin na typical na mga nag-uumpisa ng trading kasi yung mga most of the people na nag-start sa pagtitrade ay medyo aggressive yung mga yun and gusto nila kumita ng medyo mabilis sa market. Pero if you are, let's say sabihin natin yung pagbabacktest kasi ng daily, it's a little bit parang more of an investor side of things. So I would suggest na if you are beginning in the market, I would suggest na mas marami kang makikitang setups sa mga lower time frames such as 15 minutes and 1 minutes. Okay, so yun lang yung I would say na on how I've been backtesting from my journey and then how I've been backtesting din yung trading strategy ko dun sa pagbuo ko ng trading plan ko. Okay, so ang gagawin mo na next, once you collected that data, you can have a broad or you can have a holistic view on that particular currency or that particular trading strategy. Kung maganda ba yung win rate niya, umaayon ba siya sa personal lifestyle mo ngayon, kung nag-work ka, bumabagay ba siya, nagmamatch ba siya dun sa sa work mo ngayon, or let's say if full-time ka na, okay ba yung galaw ng currency na yun or ng strategy na yun. So ganun yung pagbabacktest. So all you have to do is to collect data and then tignan mo kung okay yung strategy na yon. Yung backtesting, it is a form where you can see your strategy on a very plenty na data. Okay? Kasi pag magde-demo ka, yung data mo lang na mako-collect for every week, siguro minimum mga 5 lang din, katulad nito, itong session natin. Unlike, pag magbabacktest ka, imagine mo parang 15, wala pang 15 minutes yung pagbabacktest natin, 5 na agad yung nakuha natin. How much more pag 2 hours ka nagbabacktest? 2 hours and then sabihin natin na maka 50 ka na data, that would be a good data and that would be a good data collection for this particular currency, for that particular strategy. Okay, so yun lang, hindi ko na masyadong papatagalin. So sana meron kang natutunan ng konti dito sa pagbabacktest ng sessions natin. And ayun, shinare ko lang kung paano ako magbabacktest or kung paano ako nagbabacktest dito on my journey, on my processes. Kasi marami talagang mga paraan on how you can backtest. May mga mentors na iba yung pagbabacktest nila. So ako, yun, shinare ko lang naman and sana hopefully meron kang natutunan ng konti. So this has been IC and thank you for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing sa channel para alam mo yun, malaman ng YouTube na okay yung mga pinong-project natin, mga ideas, and sana natututo ka. Okay? So this has been IC. Trade well. Trade good. See you sa next. Okay, huwag mong kakalimutan pag magbabacktest ka, kailangan mo ng kape para gising na gising para up to 6 hours yung backtesting session mo.